Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's Suns Out, Guns Out workout comes from our Summer Sweat series. Tank top season is here, which means it's time to build a strong upper body. Now, I'll be using a variety of dumbbells within this workout. 5-pound, 8-pound, and 10-pound dumbbells. Choose a variety of dumbbells that challenges your body, but also where you can maintain proper form. If you love today's workout, I want you to click that like button below and show me some love. Now let's get ready to sculpt those strong upper bodies. Starting our upper body warm-up with shoulder rolls. We'll begin to roll those shoulders up and back, really taking them high, up in towards the ears, and then depressing them down the back. And now let's start to reverse those shoulder rolls. So big, juicy shoulder rolls, warming up the upper body for all that we're about to embark on today. Up and press for 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Now just take big arm hugs right here. Big bear hugs, and press, open it out so that we're stretching through the pecs here, opening and waking that back, reach, stand tall through your chest in 4, 3, 2, last one. I'm going to grab my 5-pound weights, so my lighter set of weights, going right into a shoulder raise. So shoulder raise, and then I'm going to touch down into the floor, and then I go into a rep increase of 2 reps, and down. So each time adding on 3, 2, and 1. So again, it's a rep increase. Now we've got 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Little touch down. That just gives you a little break in between. We've got 5, in 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Little rest as we touch down, scoop the belly in, and press. We've got 6, in 5, in 4, and 3, and 2, and the last one. Now we go into upright row. Lift, and then a little touch down. Again, increase, and press. Release it down. For 3, 2, 1. Take it down. In for 4, 3, 2, and lift. We've got 5. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Little rest. Scoop the belly in. Think of it as a little deadlift. 6, in 5, in 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. We've got one more set right here. We've got 7, 6, 5, in 4, and 3, and 2. Last one right there. Going right away, I'm going to go into my medium weights. So now I'm taking it up into 8-pound weights. Going overhead, slight bend in those knees, and then we're going to extend up and press. So now, tricep extension with an alternating passe lift. Now what I want you to do is make sure that you are taking those weights behind the head, press. So like you're shaving off your ponytail, down and press. Lift it up. Make sure that the elbows are going forward. Draw the knee into the chest as we bring into the passe press. Lift and press. Squeeze. Woo, starting to feel that burn. Now don't allow your ribs to pop. Really close your rib cage. Think of deflating your ribs and press. Lift and press. Give me one more set. Right and left. That's it. Right away, we're going to go into a row, bent over row, into a tricep extension. Row. Now guys, if you're not feeling challenged, that means you need to go up with your weight. Or if you're feeling that you cannot maintain proper form, that means you decrease the rate of the weight. Press. or the rate if you want to slow it down. Press up and press elbows. Feeling those triceps work here. Exhale, back is working with the row as well. Press. So it takes a higher weight to really sculpt out those triceps here. Press, lift, and press. Give me one more, lift, and press. Now I'm going to my heavier weight, 10-pound weights, going into a hammer curl overhead press right here. Lift it up, and press, hammer curl. Don't swing it, control it, and press. If you want to go heavier, maybe you have 12-pound dumbbells here. You can use 15 as well, but I would say go a little bit slower so that you can maintain the proper form here. So working through the biceps as we go in towards that hammer curl, and then the shoulders on that overhead press. Whole upper body's working. Is your core active? Make sure that core is active. Stay with me. We've got it. Strong upper bodies right here, right now. Go 4, 3, 2, and last one. Moving on into our floor work, we start off with a chest press push-up into an inchworm. So finding our high plank, we move into a chest push-up, walk it back, tap into your shin, come back down. Big chest push-up, walk it back in, tap the shin, and then repeat that series. So big chest push-up, walk it back, inchworm, tap into the shin, keeping your core active here. Walk it back, tap it in, find your plank, big push up, walk it back, inchworm it out. Again, get low to high, exhale and breathe, tap it in, find the strong plank, find that deep range of motion, challenge your body today, press, all the way down, all the way up. Scoop the belly in, keeping that core very active throughout this entire exercise. Walk it back in, going into our kneeling bench row. So bring your heavy weights in right away and press. So now we're in a quadruped, lifting with rows up into the ceiling. Scoop the belly in, gaze is gently forward, so long spine here, up and press. Try not to move the torso too much. Stay stabilized within the core and your upper body here. Roll it back. Don't slam the weights down. Really soft with your landing here. Press. Long spine, one more set. Exhale, bring it gently up from here, going into a bicep curl and press. So we lift and lower. Exhale. So nice fluid motions here. Remember, you can always go higher with your weights and press. Or you can always decrease to modify today. If you need to modify, maybe you're going lighter weights. You can even go alternating bicep curl. That's a little bit easier. So absolutely fine to go alternating right and left if need be. Lift and lower. Give me one more here. Lift and lower. We set the weights down from here, moving right into our tricep push-ups. The wrists go directly underneath the shoulders. Pull the elbows in, down for 2 counts, and then exhale. So I want you to think like you're slicing your elbows tightly into your ribs, really near rib, and exhale. Scoop the belly in, very long spine, so your gaze would be gently beyond your mat. You could always do this, lift it into a high plank. I'm doing a modified version for you today and for myself. Exhale, press. Down for 2, scoop the belly in. Exhale, I really want you to find that great range of motion, but you have to execute proper form. So if you're going low with improper form, it is not going to benefit your body. So make sure that you've got that form in place before you get deeper into the exercise. Exhale, give me one more right here. Down, exhale, press. We go right away into our last exercise. We'll grab a hold of your light set of weights. From here, going into our skull crusher, out and press. So it's slightly behind, press supine, back and press. Drop the shoulders down, pull the rib cage in, reach, press. So the weights are gently separated. That's causing a little bit more challenge for those arms and triceps. Remember, gently behind. Again, we're not flaring the ribs, so if you start to feel that the ribs are flaring, go a little bit more forward if necessary. Press, squeeze, exhale, press, breathe, and press right here. Give me 3 more. 3, and press 2 more. 2, and press 1 more. Down, and press. Bring them to your side body from here. Just take a nice long overhead stretch here, and let's rock it up to take it into a shoulder stretch. So take the right arm across the body, wiggle out the wrist if you need to, really dropping shoulder down. Take it to the opposite side, reach it across, maybe wiggle out the wrist, and then roll those shoulders back. Excellent work, guys. If you want to, you can always repeat another set of this for another 10-minute workout to complete a 20-minute workout if necessary. Awesome, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.